Magandang araw po sa inyong lahat. Welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. I'm not a chef, but I love to cook and my passion is cooking. So I want to share with you guys my recipes in my cooking. A happy day to everybody. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening, wherever you are. Of course, welcome back po sa channel ko, Home Cooking with Joyce Alvior. Alam niyo po, ang recipe for today ay first time kong iluluto at first time ko ding matikman. And ito ay ang dulong recipe. Alam niyo, ang dulong pala ay maliliit na isda. And alam niyo, masarap po siya. Kaya naman, ang recipe for today ay very simple one. Ito ay ang Dulong Omelet or Tortang Dulong. Pero, nilagyan ko po siya ng twist kasi I added some veggies sa ating omelet. Kaya naman, sa mga gusto pong matry ang version ko ng Dulong Omelet, again, please stay with me until the end of this video para matry nyo din po ito at home with a twist. Okay? So, watch my video how I prepare my simple Dulong Omelet. So, ito yung mga sangkap natin sa ating tortang dulong. 1/4 kilo dulong, 2 eggs, 1/3 cup cornstarch and flour, ating pampalasa, pinch of salt, pepper, and pinch of sugar, brown sugar. So, option lang ang brown sugar. Maglalagay lang ako para may lasang tamis konti ang ating torta. And then, ang added ingredients ay ang ating grated kamote, sweet potato, grated carrots, so half lang ng whole carrots and half lang din ng small kamote. And then of course, meron tayong onion, mas masarap pag madaming onion. And then meron din akong bell pepper, green. And of course, ang ating pang-fry ay ang ating oil. Let's mix all the ingredients. Put the egg. Napakadali lang to, guys. And then our dulong. And then ang ating mga pampalasa. And then the carrots. Onion. Kung wala naman kayong bell pepper, you can use yung siling haba or option lang naman tong sili. Pandagdag flavor lang, added flavor, and of course, medyo may anghang factor. Okay, and then mix. And then of course, ang ating flour and cornstarch. Mix well. Okay, so after mixing well, let's fry our dulong. Quick and easy, yet so yummy. Okay, may sukat tayo, 1/3 cup. So make sure guys na mainit ang oil. Saka mainit din ang ating pan. And much better kung non-stick pan ang gamitin mo. Para hindi dumikit. Flatten. Bango niya. So, i-fry lang natin for a few minutes. Then, saka natin balik na rin. Pag golden brown na, okay na to. Ito na guys, ang ating finished product, ang aking tortang dulong or dulong omelet. Ayan. And meron of course tayong sausawan na suka or pwede rin ketchup. It's up to you kung saan nyo gustong isawsaw ang ating yummy dulong. Try this recipe. It will satisfy your tummy. Tingnan nyo, colorful. Ganda ng kulay. So, sana po nagustuhan niyo po ang simple recipe natin. Yet so yummy, lalo na kung may masarap na sausawan. So, masarap na pang breakfast at pang merienda. Okay, so maraming salamat po sa patuloy na suporta sa YouTube channel ko. And sa mga hindi pa po nagsusubscribe, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. Okay? So, thank you. And keep safe. God bless. Bye!